Hi Novi, this one's for you to start with. So we're going to do a balance around finances, but because you've got all the aches and pains, we'll just sort of stack those in as well and see where things are at from that physical perspective by the time we finish as well. So, oops. I am now 100% Novi. Novi across the pond in New Zealand. Okay, where's the gate at? Okay, it's a left-sided gate. So the left foot is higher than the right, so the left side of the pelvis is tight and twisted. And sorry, hun. And outstretched, and yeah, so the right side, so the left side's tight. Actually, so that's tighter, the whole left side at the moment. Okay, so stacking in some neck muscles. And the shoulders. It's a cup of tea.
At least I'm fully hydrated today.
Exactly. Okay, so is there somewhere? Okay. Oh, we'll stack in the lungs as well as part of the balance too. So anytime your lungs are feeling tight, you can rub down on your sternum and in underneath here at the sides of the rib cage. In kinesiology, they're neurolymphatic points for the lungs. And the lung meridian is from the inside of the arm down to the thumb. So now the gait, the lungs, the neck, the shoulders are all part of the balance. Okay, so the first thing showing up is I can be spiritual and wealthy. I can be spiritual and wealthy. And hold. Okay, is there a psychological belief about that? Yep. Is it want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust, deserve? It's deserve. So your brain doesn't think you deserve it. I deserve to let go of this problem. And hold. I deserve to keep this problem. And hold. So we need to unravel that one. Okay, so I'm not sure where you are from a spiritual religious prayer perspective, but the second one showing up is I release all religious programming that is blocking money coming into my life. And hold. Okay, want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve. It's deserve again. I deserve to let go of this problem. Hold. I deserve to keep this problem. Hold. Wow, okay. Okay, so because there's two layers of deserving, it does make me wonder whether there's something, genetic or past life going on here. There's a real fear in relation to money, fear, threat, danger. That will not be helping your lung energy because lungs are about grief, guilt, regret. So when we don't have something, we regret that we don't have something, but the fear of not having it actually creates more of it. And that whole double negative thing going on. So what we focus on, we get. So when we don't have it and we're focusing on not having it, we can end up with more of the same, which is more lack. Is there another one? Really simple. I release the fear of having money. And hold. Okay. Want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust. Want, need, think, safe, safe. It is safe to let go of this problem. Hold. It is safer to keep this problem. Hold. Just hold that little point there. I'll pause for 2 seconds.